Last week, AUC hosted the African Journalists Workshop, which brought together journalists from various countries across the African continent, with the aim of enhancing their skill sets and promoting cross-border collaborations. This workshop provided a unique opportunity for African journalists to network and share their experiences.
بالنسبة للمشاركة ديالي اليوم في الفورماسيون اللي نظمتها الجامعة الأمريكية، أنا جد سعيدة بهذه المشاركة هذه اللي استفدنا منها بزاف، وأكيد سعيدة أكثر بالتعرف على دكاترة اللي كان من مختلف القطاعات أو المجالات، وحتى الاستفادة كانت متنوعة. بالنسبة للمشاركة ديالي اليوم في هذه الدورة جات عن طريق مشاركتي في التدريب ديال اتحاد الصحفيين الافارقه اللي اكيد كيسعوا كل مره وكل يوم اننا نعملوا تدريبات في العديد من المؤسسات ومن يعني في كذا قطاع.
أنا محمد موسى، صحفي بوكالة أنباء الشرق الأوسط، وهي الوكالة الرسمية لجمهورية مصر العربية. وأنا مشارك في الدورة 57 لتدريب الصحفيين الأفارقة اللي بينظمها المجلس الأعلى لتنظيم الإعلام بالتعاون مع اتحاد الصحفيين الأفارقة ووزارة الخارجية المصرية. طبعا الورك شوب النهارده هي واحده من ضمن اعمال الدوره اللي بتستمر على مدى 21 يوم، بدات يوم 16 سبتمبر وهتنتهي يوم 5 اكتوبر الجاري. طبعا احنا فرصه سعيده جدا ان احنا نكون موجودين في الجامعه الامريكيه النهارده، ان احنا نقابل خبراء في مجال الاعلام والصحافه الالكترونيه والورقيه زي الدكتور حسين امين، زي الدكتوره رشا علام. استفدنا جدا جدا من الورشه واستفدنا جدا جدا من وجودنا في المكان. كنا دايما بنسمع عن الجامعه الامريكيه، احنا مبسوطين جدا ان احنا موجودين في هذا الصرح العلمي الكبير. نتمنى ان احنا نكون على قد المسؤوليه ان احنا نقدر ننفذ الحاجات اللي اتعلمناها في الورشه النهارده في مجال شغلنا، اللي شغال فينا في الصحافه العلميه واللي شغال في صحافه البيئه واللي شغال في الصحافه الاقتصاديه والصحافه السياسيه. كل الحاجات دي احنا نتمنى يعني نحقق المطلوب فيها او التارجت فيها، او ان احنا نقدر ننفذ في مجال شغلنا كل حاجه اتعلمناها في ورشه النهارده.
Got a call from the KUJ, that's the head of a journalist union in Kenya, and they invited me to come and join my fellows from other countries for this training, where we have been getting trainings on how economics, politics, and culture affect Africa, and how journalists can better tell those stories to impact the continent positively and to get people to talk about these issues more, to foster development, and to kind of create a union, a kind of a unified continent in Africa.
Throughout the workshop, participants engaged in a series of hands-on exercises and panel discussions covering a wide range of topics such as print media research, science journalism, media and artificial intelligence, and newspapers' value chain.
We do mainly talk about the business models of the news organizations. Business models is become a very important term for the current media environment, and many news organizations are revisiting their business models in order to source out different streams of revenue. So we mainly talk about the impact of the technological developments on the news organizations, and how the technological developments impact the business model and the value chain, and what are the important components of any business model in order to enhance the performance of the news organization, to have a higher reach, and to think of different revenue streams, whether through advertisements or through subscription. Simply, to put it simply, how to make money out of a successful organization. I think it's very important because we talk about the different approaches, how to have a unique stand in the market, how to brand yourself as a news organization, how to have a competitive edge in the current platform environment, it's very important to understand your audience and to tailor content that would be appealing to your target audience.
While the African Journalists Workshop was primarily focused on professional development, participants also had the opportunity to experience the vibrant cultural heritage of Egypt.
So it's been a wonderful journey. It's been marvelous. We have seen how beautiful Egypt is. We have seen how the cultures of Egypt, and we have learned a lot also from journalists here in Egypt. So it's been a wonderful ride.
As the African Journalists Workshop concluded, it was evident that this gathering marked a significant milestone in the professional growth of African journalists. Ali Arabi, AUCTV, Cairo.